Hello, I'm Shari. Welcome to my channel. Last month I got the Ipsy Ultimate. I was pretty disappointed in it, and I know a lot of us were. And so this month they sent me it for free, and I've had it for at least a couple weeks. I did put my Ipsy subscriptions on hold. I don't have money to be wasting, you know. I'll stick with BoxyCharm, but for now I'm really happy that they sent it to me for free. But they still didn't give us our prices. This is it. This is all they have. All they talk about is Gigi Gorgeous in this side. They don't even talk about any products this time at all. And then on the back it's just this. They didn't listen to us. I don't appreciate that. It's like, I know a lot of us had complaints about them not listing the prices, and what do? They just completely disregard. We aren't heard. I feel like they aren't hearing us out. So yeah, I do like this. However, it's they sent us a bag this time, and look how nice and big it is. I do love this bag. Little mesh pocket here. You can put your brushes or whatever in. Another little pocket here. And I mean, it is nice. It's a nice bag. You get a choice. I think this was my choice. I'm pretty sure this was my choice. Got the Murad Environmental Shield Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. So there's the serum. Supposed to be for like age spots and sun damage or whatever. So I'm happy I got that. And I got another serum. The Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum from Juice Beauty. And I'm happy I got this because we did get the eye cream from BoxyCharm. There's a nice big serum. I love serums. Skincare is my thing. I love skincare. Okay, so next we got a palette. Wondrous Brush from Wonder Beauty. The little palette. Whoops. Okay. There's the palette. It's a pretty palette. I'll give them that. It is a pretty palette, but I don't know. However you say that, Evolu? I don't know. But it says it's a super oil. It looks like a serum to me. Say it's an oil. Like a milky type of a serum. I don't know. I got the High Beam Benefit. I always wanted this. I have the Dandelion one, but I always wanted to try this one. High Beam from Benefit. All I really have on is brows right now. And skincare. I always do my skincare every day, twice a day. It's kind of like a pinky hue to it. I like it. There's the highlighter. Happy to have that. It's also, it's like, I don't think it's a full size, which I mean, whatever, you know, I don't mind sample size. And then I got the Gigi Gorgeous The Only Blush Duo. It's good. It's really pretty. Cella. The Eyebrow Defining Gel. The clear kind. I think this is like the first eyebrow gel I ever tried, and it's alright, but it's okay. It's okay. Pop Beauty Pout on Point Lip Liner in Risque Rose. That's pretty. Oh, that's cool. I've never seen a lip pencil like that. Look, it's like a kind of cool. Never seen one like that. Yeah, pretty lip pencil. BASD body lotion in Seductive, and it don't smell seductive to me. I don't know if your grandma wears really strong perfume, but mine does. It reminds me of my grandma. She probably would like that. I'll probably try to give it to my grandma if I see my grandma soon. Aloe Gel Sleeping Mask. Last but not least, I saved this for last because it is something that I actually really enjoy, stuff like this. But it's a color contour cheek stick from Chastique Base, like Brazilian Bronze. It's a contour stick, and it has a brush on the other side, and an angled brush at that. I think that's pretty cool. I would use it. Actually, let's use it. In here. Let's see how much product we have. Not very much, but I'm just gonna put it right there. Looks like it's gonna be easy to blend out too, so that's good. When it's easy to blend out like that, you can actually use more than you normally would. Something like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this little back end because I like stuff like this, you know. And it's an angled brush at that, and it's dense and it's short. I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving with their families, and I actually had nieces and nephews over, and it was really nice to see them. I miss being around my family, you know. It was nice. It was a lot of work, a lot of cooking, but I don't mind cooking, you know. It was worth it. The way I see it, Thanksgiving comes once a year, and the holidays, you know, and you're supposed to give thanks that day. Be thankful for what you have, and I did that. I got to cook for my babies, and it was a good day. I suppose I would put more on. Wanted to share what I got. Since I'm here. It's not a shimmer, is it? Don't look like a shimmer, so let's check it out. I'm not even gonna put primer on my eyes, just gonna see how this looks, see how it blends out. I like this color. It's almost like a grayish, taupey, almost like pinky, chocolatey. Jeez, I don't know. There's like, it's a really pretty color. I don't even think I have a color like this, to be honest. And it's blending good. This little darker one. Other side. Some of this one here, just on my finger. Just like that. I'll go back over it with my brush. The edges. Just like that. Throw some of this little shade here, this just right in here. Put it up. And then add some more. That's it. I just wanted to play a little bit with that palette. Really do like Ipsy. Oh, and in this brush. I am a brush person, but this is not the brush I wanted at all. So I could use it for the highlight or whatever, but it's not the brush I wanted at all. I wanted the GG Gorgeous brush. Whatever. It's really soft though. I love Luxie brushes. This is a Luxie brush, so yeah. I know it was free, but I mean last month, you know, they're supposed to make up for his last month, and I just feel like they didn't. So yeah, my Ipsy subscriptions are on hold. I might just cancel, but it would suck because I really do like the Ipsy Plus, you know. It's just this Ultimate just has me like, I really do like this bag though. That's one thing that they blew me away with, was the bag. I really do like the bag. Make sure you enter that giveaway for that Nomad palette. Thank you for stopping by, and have a blessed rest of your weekend with your families, and thank you for watching. Bye.